In this tutorial, we'll explore the essential tasks of listing, starting, stopping, and removing containers using Podman. In just a few minutes, you'll gain hands-on experience managing container lifecycles efficiently. Step 1 is listing containers. Use the Podman ps command to list running containers which are in running state. Use Podman ps-a to display all containers, including those not currently running. Step 2 is starting and stopping containers. To stop a running container, use Podman stop command. Podman stop followed by container ID or name. To start a stopped container, use Podman start command. Podman start followed by container ID or name. Step 3 is removing containers. To remove container, it should be in stopped state. So we will stop the container first using Podman stop command and then remove it. Remove containers with the Podman rm command. You can use the F flag to force removal of running containers. Podman rm followed by container ID or name, or Podman rm followed by -f followed by container ID or name. Step 4 is understanding container lifecycle. The container lifecycle refers to the various states a container goes through during its existence. Understanding these states is crucial for efficiently managing containers. The typical container lifecycle consists of the following stages: created. In the created state, a container has been defined and configured but has not yet started. It is essentially a configured and idle container. Running. The container is actively executing and running the application or services it was designed for. This is the state where the container is actively processing tasks. Paused. Containers in the paused state are temporarily halted, with their processes frozen. This allows for resource conservation while maintaining the container's state. Containers can be resumed from this state. Stopped. When a container is stopped, its processes are halted, and it is not actively consuming resources. The container can be restarted from this state. Exited. This state indicates that a container has completed its execution and has exited. It might have finished its intended task or encountered an issue, leading to a graceful exit. This tutorial covered listing containers, starting and stopping them, removing containers, and understanding the fundamental concept of the container lifecycle. Here is the summary of Podman commands learned in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.